Welcome to episode 39 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor here to explore the foundations of data and AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
Your shopping cart knows you better than you do.
That's right. Every time you browse, click, or buy, data is being collected and analyzed to make your experience smoother, more personalized, and, well, sometimes a little uncanny.
Today we're diving into AI and retail and marketing, a perfect example of how AI ties directly to everyday life and business strategy. We'll look at recommendations, personalization, and customer loyalty through the lens of data.
And trust me, these aren't just theory. I'll share how retailers and brands are using AI right now to boost sales and keep customers coming back.
Let's start simple. At its core, AI and retail relies heavily on recommendations. Think of recommendations as the system's way of guessing what you might want next. Technically, recommendation systems analyze large data sets, shopping histories, browsing behavior, even product ratings, and use machine learning algorithms to predict items you'd likely prefer. The classic approach is collaborative filtering, where the system finds patterns among many users.
Like when Amazon says customers who bought this also bought that. I've worked on projects where this kind of system increased sales by 20%, just by helping customers discover complementary products they didn't even know they wanted. But recommendations are more than just people who bought this also bought that. There's also content-based recommendations, which focus on product attributes. For example, if you like a red jacket, you might be shown similar styles, colors, or materials.
Exactly. And both methods have their strengths and weaknesses. Collaborative filtering struggles when new products or new users are introduced because there isn't enough data, what we call the cold start problem. Content-based methods, on the other hand, can recommend new or niche products by analyzing features, but may miss wider trends or serendipitous suggestions that collaborative filtering can catch.
Bringing it back to business impact, combining those methods into hybrid recommenders is what we see more and more in practice. Retail giants like Netflix and Spotify have been using hybrid recommenders for years, and now everyone from fashion brands to grocery apps are adopting similar tech. A neat story from a retail client I worked with, they used AI recommendations to launch a personalized email campaign. Using purchase history and browsing data, they tailored offers for each customer. The result? A 35% lift in email open rates and a 25% boost in sales from that channel alone.
Recommendations are certainly pivotal, but personalization goes beyond just suggesting products. It's about tailoring the entire customer experience, from the website layout, pricing, promotions, to even the timing of offers. AI models here analyze vast amounts of customer data, including demographic info, behavioral patterns, and engagement metrics. Using techniques like clustering and classification, they segment customers into meaningful groups.
That segmentation is gold for marketers. One retailer used AI to identify high-value customers who shop frequently but respond poorly to generic discounts. By creating personalized loyalty programs for this group, they increased repeat purchases significantly. In fact, personalized loyalty is a huge factor in retaining customers today. People want to feel recognized and rewarded for their unique preferences, not just get blanket deals.
From a theoretical perspective, personalized loyalty programs rely heavily on predictive analytics. Machine learning models forecast which customers are most likely to churn or spend more, allowing businesses to focus their retention efforts effectively. Reinforcement learning even comes into play here. Systems learn over time which rewards or communications encourage the best customer responses and adjust accordingly.
I remember consulting for a supermarket chain where they used AI-driven nuance makes the difference between wasting marketing budget and actually deepening customer loyalty.
Let's also touch on privacy, which is critical. All this data collection must be balanced with respect for customer privacy and compliance with regulations like GDPR. In fact, techniques like federated learning are emerging, where AI models are trained across multiple decentralized devices without sharing raw data centrally. This protects privacy while still enabling personalization.
That's a game changer, especially as consumers become more aware of how their data is used. I've seen companies building trust by being transparent about their data practices and giving users control over their personalization settings. Because honestly, no one wants to feel like their shopping habits are being spied on. They want relevant offers, but on their terms.
So, to summarize, AI in retail and marketing hinges on extracting insights from data to make smarter recommendations, tailor experiences, and cultivate loyalty, all while navigating technical and ethical challenges.
And from the business side, when done right, AI transforms the customer journey into a relationship, not just a transaction. It's why retailers investing in AI innovation often see measurable lifts in revenue and customer satisfaction.
So, key takeaway time. I'd say it's this. AI in retail is fundamentally about learning patterns from data to anticipate customer needs, making the shopping experience both efficient and enjoyable.
For me, the takeaway is practical. The companies that win will be those that combine AI-powered personalization with genuine respect for customer privacy. It's not just about smart tech. It's about smart, ethical business.
Looking ahead to episode 40, we'll be exploring the incredible world of generative AI, how machines are creating text, images, and even music, reshaping creativity and business.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We'd love to hear your comments or questions. And who knows, your thoughts might show up in future episodes. Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.